Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to digest protein powder easily step by step. Start by mixing powder with water or milk and drink slowly to reduce bloating. Use a shaker or blender to fully dissolve powder and avoid clumps. Consider pairing protein with fruit or healthy fats to aid absorption. If you feel discomfort, try a smaller serving size or a different protein type like whey isolate or plant blends. Mix powders with 8 to 12 ounces of liquid and let it sit for 15 to 30 seconds before shaking to reduce clumps. Use a blender bottle or electric blender to fully dissolve powder and improve texture. Try warm liquids for thicker proteins like casein to help them blend smoothly. Also strain out clumps with a fine mesh if needed, and avoid overmixing, which can introduce air bubbles that feel unpleasant. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle makes mixing and carrying shakes easy with a leak-proof lid, straw, and great insulation for hot or cold drinks. It's a small change that can make daily protein routines simpler and more enjoyable. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one yourself. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Pair protein powder with carbohydrates and healthy fats to slow digestion and enhance amino acid uptake. Consider adding a digestive enzyme supplement or a small amount of apple cider vinegar to support stomach acidity. Stay well hydrated and time your shake around workouts by drinking 30 to 60 minutes after exercise for optimal recovery and easier digestion. Listen to your body and adjust ingredients and serving size until digestion feels comfortable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.